Today we're going to make a quick video of how to install this passenger tail light on this 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. Alright, so you're going to grab your tail light and go ahead and connect it to the pigtail, just like so. Once you have the pigtail connected, go ahead and secure it by pressing in this button here. There's two little latch points here and here with the little pins sticking out. Go ahead and insert them right in there and press it in. You could hear it click in. Gonna grab our two Torx 25 screws and we're gonna go ahead and secure this just like so. You might want to use both hands when you're doing this, make it easier for you. There it is. Now what we're going to do is secure them down. There it is. There it is. And you're done. Sweet. And that is how you install a passenger tail light on a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. Thank you for watching.
That's all, folks. Have a great day.
Please like and subscribe.